In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy and paste text quickly and cleanly. By the end, you'll feel confident grabbing text from one place, dropping it exactly where you need it, and making it look right without extra fuss. First, let's select the text you want to copy. Click directly on the text box to make sure it's active. You'll usually see a highlight, a bounding box, or resize handles that confirm it's selected. If clicking once puts you into typing mode, don't worry. That just means the text is editable. You can click once on the edge of the box to select the whole thing, or if you need just a portion, drag to highlight the specific words. The key here is making sure the correct text is selected before moving on. Next, copy the text. On Windows, press Ctrl and C. On a Mac, press Command and C. Think of this as taking a snapshot of the selected text and placing it on your clipboard, ready to reuse. If nothing seems to copy, double-check that the text box is selected and that you haven't clicked away. Most apps also let you use the Edit menu and choose Copy if you prefer menus over shortcuts. A quick tip: copying preserves the text itself, and sometimes formatting, depending on the app you're using. Now, paste the text where you want it. Click in the destination spot so your cursor or selection is exactly where the pasted text should go. On Windows, press Ctrl and V. On a Mac, press Command and V. If you paste into a different text box or a new document, it will appear at the insertion point you clicked. If you get unexpected formatting, many apps offer paste and match style in the Edit menu, which adapts the pasted text to the style of the destination. Finally, adjust if needed. Move the pasted text box into position so it lines up cleanly with your layout. Resize the box if the text wraps oddly or needs more room. Edit the text itself to fix typos, update wording, or apply formatting like font, size, color, and alignment so it matches your design. Use guides or smart alignment tools in your app to keep things tidy and zoom in to check spacing. If something doesn't look right, undo is your friend. Step back and try again, and that's it. Select, copy, paste, and adjust. Practice this flow a few times and it will become second nature, saving you time and keeping your designs consistent.